Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. All right, let's go. 500 before we lose 250. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, let me pop out the chats. We'll get going. Popping this chat out. Ooh. Kind of want to fob it. Yum. Popping this chat out. How do I do that? I should know this shit, right? I'm supposed to be the streamer guy. Huh? You're fucked. I'm fucked.
So let's do the.
See, I just need tits, man. And come on here, it's like 90% of people with tits.
No
yeah, I'm
spoilers.
sexist.
I don't know if
Sexist
you can even really
against people with tits.
or backseat. I don't know if you can. I'm not sure.
I don't think you can get viewers without tits.
Not sure if that's something that's possible.
Anyway.
There's a story. I don't know how it works.
What am I looking for here?
Whoops. I almost selected a round.
There we go. There we go. We're going to pop out some chat here. Pop out some chat. Boom. Okay, shameless plug. Shameless plug. Let's go. We need we need a tab over here. Wha-bam! Get rid of this one. Wha-bam! And we're going to do some shameless plugs today because, well, I don't have many viewers. So we're gonna fucking spam shit. Twitch. No, what do we want? We want our trading software up. Log in. Launch. Alright, what do we got? Oh, we had quite the drop last night, hey? Oh, we're having quite the drop this morning. Quite the dropsters. We have no trade. We're going to leave this up. I do like this, though. I haven't been using it. And we did break past VWAP here. All right, what else do we have here? Let's pull this back so our... we want our VWAP to be in the right spot. This is a little big. I can go down a little bit. There we go. What a move to the downside, huh? All right, let's take a look at some of these. Let's get rid of... remove all. Let's clear off that. Let's get this up to date. So let's get this... remove all this. Get this up to date. We definitely have a downtrend that started last night. Let's get some lines in there. We did have a moving average cross just recently, about 920 to the downside. So we'll take a look at that as well. Taking a look at what we got going on here. Getting everything going. Again, I'm here to answer your questions, right? If you got questions, I have bullshit answers. I'll give you some bullshit. I'll feed you bullshit. Whatever you want to know. Bullshit I got. Oh, we have a trend there. That is a trend, my friend. That is a trend. This is a crash. This is fucking ridiculous. Redonkulous this morning, this move. I might be a buyer at the low of day, right? But let's see. We got some news or something that's going along with this. What do we got going on with this shit? We had all sorts of news at 8:30. Got nothing now, right? We're good. We're good for the trading day. Here comes a little bit of a bounce, right? Makes sense to pull up here. I might be a buyer right here, right now. My morning thing is looking at this shit, right? We hit that, we bounce up. See a pullback. We just had such a strong move this morning already. We're down. How far are we down this morning? say roughly the open was at 370. We are down 100 points this morning already. Good golly, Miss Molly. Good golly, Miss Molly. Do I want to jump in front of this freight train? No. No. No, we might take a there's nothing good here. No. All right, let me get on my Discord here. I'm going to pop some notes. Pop some notes really quick. Day trading journal. Day trading journal. Making a knot in the sea. See, here's that pop I was looking for, right? Here it is. We're going the other way. That would have been a quick 20. Boom, boom. Rotated down. We have to come back, but 2085. What do we got for that? Ooh, shit balls, people. 287. Right. 283, 287. Do we want to do we fucking balls this? Do we balls this? No. No. Though it would have been a good trade, right? We are at 34. We can't get into it cuz we're going to wait until 9:35. 9:35. All right, let me come over here. Good morning to everybody who's on the stream so far. I am going to get on to let me blow this up. I think we're pretty far away from that 9. There's nothing there. Nothing there. I need another like pullback, and then this retest would be good. We are pulling back up, though. We're coming up with some vengeance here. We got the VWAP. We got some other things going on. I'm not really seeing anything that's too marvelous here at the moment. Too marvelous. Let's let it kind of taper out. Do some shameless plugs here. That would have been a fucking good one, right? We called it. We called it right here on stream. Right? We saw that right here. 83-ish. That was a little too far. We went up a little too far. That wouldn't have been that great. I would have stopped out. There's no way I would have held that much. There's too much volatility right now. Right, so let's post this. Let's search here. Oh shit. Did I just fuck up? I just posted that shit without even putting the stream on, right? I want to copy this. Control copy. Let's delete this one. Delete. And we are right here. Come over here. Hey, I got another subscriber over the night. That's cool. That's cool. Let's keep pushing, baby. Pushing, 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 baby. Yeah. Subscriber over the night. That's cool. That's cool. Let's keep pushing, baby. Pushing, 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 baby. All right. Control copy. Let's get this back on here. All right. Then we go over to. I should get more people on Twitch, but if you want to watch on Twitch, subscribe on Twitch. You know, well, yeah, just follow on Twitch. That'd be wonderful. I'm trying to build up both our Twitch and our YouTube at this point in life. Trying to build them both up. So let me shoot here. Futures trading. And let's see. I want latest. Latest. Ooh, we're breaking back down. But again, we're not jumping into anything yet. I'd like a bigger pullback. But that pulled back into a pretty strong region. Like you could see this support here. You know, or resistance in this case. This whole area here. All right. That's where we pulled back to. On the 5 minutes, do we have that too? Yeah, the 5 minutes right there too. It's looking good. Looking good. Look at all these people trying to sell shit. I'm trying to sell shit too. Who am I fucking kidding? Who am I kidding? I don't like that doji there. I think we could head back up here. I might be a buyer here. Might be a buyer there. I'll put my stop right here. Like, because there's no point in losing money. Keep that in mind. No point in losing money. I do like that, though, for a bounce up. I think we have to come up. I mean, it might just break right back down and continue bearish, which is fine, too. I'm just not going to be playing that breakout, you know. We got some noise today. Got some noise. Not sure where it's from. Not sure.
Stop filled.
Oh, we're in. We're in. Let's get this right up. Ooh, let's put it right here. Let's hold it right there. Let's hold it right there. If we lose, we lose. Shit. I want to. What do I want to do here? I want to sell. Sell right there. Am I on the wrong fucking account? I don't fucking know. I think I am. I should be on 22. There we go. There we go. We're going to take a profit here. No matter what, let's take this profit, right? Let's not fuck around. Walk away with that first trade with money in our pocket. We're going to keep pushing it.
Stop filled.
We're out. We're out for a quick $100, right? Good first trade, $100 in our pocket. Right, we saw what was going on. This doji here. I give myself a trend line. Right, so this is actually. Oh shit! I don't know what the fuck that was. Whoa, whoa! Where are you going? All right. I kind of like a bounce off this line. If we get back down here, I might buy it. I might buy that line. But we made our few bucks right there, right? We didn't push it. We didn't rush it. We made $90. Zero. We got a little bit of a drawdown, 520, but I keep that in mind. We are kind of wedging out here. You can definitely see it on the 5 minute. So this break either way is going to be fairly strong, I feel. That might be the money ticket, right? So there's the bottom side of the break. And this would be the top side of the break. Let's draw the top side in here. I don't really have a preferred way of what I'm expecting, for sure. But we got $100. All right, we got this line here. Again, it's a line. We only got 2 points. But we made the quick 100. All right, four more 100 to go, roughly 420. 420. Let's go. Happy Halloween, you know what I'm saying? Happy Halloween. All right, well, I am trading 2 Apex accounts now. I'm going to be a break and retest kind of guy here, I believe. Break and retest kind of guy. Let's see. Would I buy here? Like, normally, I don't know if I would. Would I sell here? If we get up to this point. If we get up to here, it'd be a sell. We get down to here, it's a buy, right? Right? Everybody see that? Everybody understand what I'm looking at? What I'm looking at? But we are kind of making a little pattern here, sideways pattern. Here's the break. Right, but let's see if we get trapped or if we get it closed below there. We get it closed below there, I might sell. I might. It might be a thing here. Oh, I'm late to the party, people. I am fucking late to that party. I should have been in there. We talked about it. But my time was off. Right? Did you see that? My time was off. Let's adjust my time settings and reset this shit. I was late to that party. I should have been in this party right here. Should have been in that party. We called it. We missed it. Called it. We missed it. Our time was off. I probably would have got a shit fucking fill too. But good thing I didn't put a buy there, huh? Just wasn't feeling the buy there. Alright, so we're going to adjust our time. Gonna see if we can get it lined up here, right? So let's refresh this page. The bears are definitely in today, so where can we go with this, right? Let's take a look at the hourly. Our next reasonable spot is down here. Right, continued bearishness. Right in about this ballpark, I might be a seller. Right? Does that make sense? Does it make sense to be a seller here? Pull back to this point here. That's kind of a retest of that area. I might be a seller there. That might happen. Right, we failed to break that. That's kind of substantial. Failed to continue down. We didn't there, though. Again, this is a strong break. I should have seen this coming. I should have been prepped. I should have been ready for a sell. But that would have been a breakout move, right? Would have been a market order, so I don't know what my fill would have been. But I am intrigued by this one here. So I'm going to put a sell in here. Right, I am intrigued by that sell. How much room do I want to give that trade? I'll push this up a little bit. I want to sell there. Well, let's see if this doji's. If this doji's, I might just sell it, buy into it. All right, we're good now. Yeah, look at that. So we're popping back up a little bit. I'm going to get rid of this trade for now. We are continuing down, but we are extremely low on the Stoke. But man, the volatility going downside. Do we have something going on? Is there something in the world of Twitters that's like making the market go batshit crazy? Am I missing something here? Again, we're just trying to take our little chunks when we see them. When we see opportunities, we take it, right? That's all we're doing. Taking opportunities. Been a hell of a crash this morning. Hell of a go crash. Very strong crash, right? I think this is getting this is getting too far. This is getting too far, people. Buy here. Buy here. Would that have been a good trade? Well, we're still going. Let's give this some more depth. I'm gonna put another line in from here to here. Again, it's just 2 points. All right, so I want to get to that line. I'm also going to put another line in here, so I'm going to fan this out a little bit. That is just so steep, like over steep. This would be a good one to be in, man, right? We talked about it right here. We could still be in this bad boy. I would have got out, though. I would have got out. No doubt. We're just too far, right? Too far. What do we got here for a pullback area? I might be a buyer above this, below this, above this. Let's see. I think it's going to come up. I think we're going to be okay, right? I think we're going to come back up. If this doji's, I'll buy it. Give me a good strong green candle or something, I might buy it as well. Alright, we're looking for that doji here. I'm going to change this to something else, I think. What are we going to change this to? Let's go with the candlestick chart, right? Where do we want to give ourselves here? I mean, I could give myself volume. Still going down. Still a bearish candle. I want a doji or something. Once I get that, I'll be happy. 121. No, I'm not taking it. I'm not taking it. Let's look at some of the volume indicators, right? So let's go with volume based. And what was it called? Cumulative delta? No. I mean, that's what what's his name likes, cumulative delta. I'm just not a big fan of that. There was something else though. That was pretty good as an indicator. Really thought it was volume based. Volume profile, maybe? Yeah, I'll go with volume profile for now. Alright. This looks promising here, actually. No, we broke back down. It's continuing down. Expect to have a little bit of a pullback here, though, eventually, right? Let's see what this does on the 5 minute. We got 2.5 minutes for that candle to form. Let's post another flame of thing. I got literally no checks of that shit. Okay, here we go. I think I can get 10 points out of that. Right, I think I can get 10 out of this. We're going to buy here. I think I can get 10 points. It's got to come back a little bit. You know what? We're actually going to go up here with it. And the reason for this is I'm looking at this, right? I'm looking at this thing here. I want this to doji out, and then if that's going to doji, let me change the settings here. Contract details. No, I don't want that. Chart settings, fills and orders, show order lines. Right? Maybe not show order lines. Show orders. Okay, so we have an order right there, right? I wish it would show order lines. There we go. Okay. So that's what we want to see. We want to see that order line in there, right? So that's our order. Close above there. We're going to get in this. I will give myself 5 to 10 points here. I think we're going to have a little bit of a break and a push-up, right? Break and a push-up. Again, if you're just joining me for the first time, make sure to subscribe. Feel free to ask any question you want. I have no problem answering questions. We got that doji, right? So people are going to be buying here. People are going to be looking for the buy. It's not necessarily the best spot on the hourly for that doji. I'm not really seeing much there. People could have a line there, but I'm just not seeing it. So once this breaks, I want to be fairly tight. We're going to buy there. We want to sell here. All right, we want to break and we want to go. We want to go up to this next line here. But we could end up with this sideways wonkiness again. I do have the volume profile open. I'm not, I don't know. I don't see it as that important. Here we go. Here we go. Let's see if this takes off on us. I'm going to bring this back to the Renko, I think. Indicators. Gotta get ready for this thing to come in to play.
Stop filled.
Alright, I want to give it a little bit of room. A little bit of room. Let's move this down here. Alright, I gotta stop in place. Right, we did pop up a little bit. I just need it to continue up. I don't know if it will. I don't know if it will. Give me a little bit of love here. Give me a little bit of bullishness. There we go. If that pops up again, zero reason to lose money. Zero reason to lose money. Zero reason to lose money. There we go. Can we get 10 out of that? Come on, give me 10. Give me 10. What are we seeing here? Still okay with this.
Stop filled.
Alright, we took a small profit there. Very small. It's kind of a risky trade, right? But we took it. We took it. It didn't materialize to where I was expecting it to go. That's all right, though. That's all right. Right, this is how it works. So now the question is, do we buy on this line? Does this line become a trend? Or do we sell on the break of it? Well, apparently it's not a line. Apparently it's shit, and a bunch of people just got trapped. We're not one of them. We're not one of them. We're at 92.60 on the day. 92.60. All right, we played that doji a little bit. Again, I'm looking for more of a... I'd like to see us get down to about 129. No. Where would I like us to see it get down to? 121. Right in this area here, I'd be much happier to see a doji. Now, is this going to continue bearish? I don't know. I do not know. I'm willing to,
Stop filled.
Oop. Okay, we're in it. I was willing to do a break here, but the break didn't materialize like last
Stop
time.
filled.
We took our hit there. We lost a hundo. It's all right. Take it back. It's kind of a rush trade. I put it in there thinking we keep going. We just didn't. All right, we're definitely putting in some kind of bottom. Okay, let's get rid of our indicators here. Oh, I better look at my drawdown's 97. Keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. I'm not sold on this breaking down now, right? I got burned, so I'm not sold on it. So I'm not gonna hop into it. You bitch. You bitch. All right. Let's put a sell limit in there.
Order filled.
We're gonna put a buy right here. Nice tight. See if we can get to our break even really quick.
Stop filled.
Damn, we're down 72, people. Down 185.40 on the day. 185.40. I got one more trade in me. One more trade in me. I'm just not feeling it to the downside, right? We keep trying. Here comes another push of that low. Let's get rid of this. This is done. Let's get rid of this line. This is done. Let's get rid of this line. This is done. Yeah, we don't have much further to go south, like we talked about. This line here, how much weight do I put into that line? We also have another line here at this point. So from this point to this point. Right, we might see a sell at that point. It's having a hard time moving. Just doesn't have any break to it. Right, we're sitting at a point now where we're in deep trouble. We got maybe 1 to 2 trades left. 1 to 2 trades worth of drawdown left. I'm gonna give this a while to settle. Right, let's start working our way back up to that VWAP and that 9 moving average on the 5-minute. Give us some time to settle. We jumped in a couple trades there. Let's back off. Let's settle. All right, 5 points, 10 points. 10 points is $100, right? I don't fucking know. I don't know. God, I don't remember. Let's see here. So if we buy at 28.50, I don't know. I don't know. I do not know. All right, we're going to hit this line. Let's see if this line becomes a trend. We're getting a little bit of a build-up here. All right. So we're coming up to that next line. This line was null and void. All right, we're going to get a hammer formation here, which might be a buy. All right, got the hammer. We're getting all sorts of slowdowns here. Again, this might be a buy market for me. I'm not going to take it. I kick myself. I'm not going to take it. All right, we got this line right here. We also have a line here. We got VWAP. We got the 9 is right here. So maybe this 9 will coincide with this here in a minute. If that happens, that'll be a pretty strong trade. I'll take that for a few. I will take that for a few for sure. All right, so what are we trying to do here? What are we trying to do? So on 5, it's 100, right? 5 is 100. No, 5 is 50. 5 is 50. 10 is 100. 5 is 50. So we can do a 5 loss and still be alive. Just not very strong. Oh, we got some noise on the turtlers. Let's see. We're still pretty low on the Stoke, but trending we can stay low, right? We're hitting this line. See if this line has any power. Our 9 is now right here. Right, so right now I would take a sell here. I'm going to have to keep this tight. Like almost too tight, right? Almost too tight. I don't have enough room. I need more confirmation. This is definitely popping bullish a little bit. Our bullish play would have been good on that hammer. This would have been hard staying in this, right? There we go. We're locking in some profits. Well, we would be locking in some profits if we were in, but we're not. We're not. We're looking. I'm waiting for that to get pulled down a little more. I do like this spot for a sell. I will put one there. We're going to buy that literally 5 away. Right, my target's going to be right here. Boom, boom, boom. Just boom, boom, boom. Quick trade, quick trade. Quick trade if we get up there. We got a minute left on that to pull that down a little bit. Got a doji there. Will that doji play out? I don't know. I do not know. Can we blow right by this? Yeah, we can. Right now my intersection's a little lower, but let's see where that 5 brings us. Okay, this really manifested into nothing, right? That was a big nothing burger, that line. Alright, so I think I'm pretty happy with that. Let's blow this up. Yeah, because that's pretty much right on top of that 9, right? So we're still happy with that. We do have a moving average cross on our Stokes, which is a sell signal. We're definitely still bearish. VWAP's not even close to coming to town here. I'm okay with this trade so far. I'm okay with this trade setup so far. I'm keeping it really tight because I want to give myself one more chance, right? I want to give myself one more chance. Doji here, making the head and shoulders. I was thinking of the buy. I was thinking of the buy here, but I'm not doing it. Definitely did not materialize, so I'm not jumping into that freight train. Here we go. We're going to make a new low, right? So I should be able to superimpose this to this. Something like that. So I think we're going to get down to that point. Let's get out of their other trend line up top there. Right, so they're in there. If I do that... No, I'm going to hold it just like this. Let's see. Let's see if it hits that point. Right, continuing down. We are getting into the danger zone, right? So we are looking for a reversal here. Oh, man. Oh, man. I'd like that to just be a little bit lower. I might buy into this. I'm going to keep my finger on the buy market here. I want to see what happens. Taking a look at the hourly here, we're at that point between here and here. So a doji on the 5-minute at this point might be my call. Or a doji right here might be my call as well for a buy market. See, so we're hitting that line that we established. Again, I don't have much faith in that line, but you never know. Never know. It could hold up good. Okay.
Order filled.
We're in, and we could be in trouble. We could be in trouble. Let's get this right here. Sell right there. Let's try to exit this for a profit.
Stop filled.
All right. Is what it is, right? 191.60. So I took a little bit of a loss there. I didn't want to give it any room, right? It's either going to break or it wasn't. I do see this as a turning point, though. I do definitely see this as a turning point. So if I can get back into this trade, I will.
Stop filled.
I'm going to give this some room. Going to give her some room. Okay, zero reason to lose money. Zero reason to lose money. We're looking for an exit right about here, right? So we're going to sell here as well. That's our target. We're definitely going to... are we going to hold to the target? I don't know. I don't know. It's stupid for me not to lock in. Locking in profit. Made the right call.
Stop filled. Stop filled.
All right, we got a little bit of profit there. Right, so that was good. That was good. We did buff up our thing. I don't know how much drawdown I got at this point. Like, I wish I could tell, right? I wish I could tell what my drawdown is at this point. Well, we did get that. RN9 is now sitting here. It's still a little high for me. It's a little high. I do have some trades up here. Let's get rid of those. All right, this would make sense for a sell. I'd like to go one more time, then I'd like to sell at this, right? I'd like to sell the conjunction of all this shit here. So let's give that a little more time. Let's give it a little bit. See what happens. See what happens. All right, but I'd like to see my current drawdown, you know? There it goes. I'm going to sell right here.
Order filled.
All right, we're going to ride this a little bit, but not past that point. Okay. Okay. Okay, zero reason to lose money. Okay.
Order filled.
Let's get out with a slight profit, right? Wasn't happy with that trade. We came up with too much gusto. Too much gusto, but I'll take the slight profit on that trade. Right, we're sitting at 36.10. We need about 400. I don't know what my drawdown is at the moment. Right, so how do I know my drawdown? Right, like I'd like to know my current drawdown. Here's the bounce off that 9, right? We're kind of expecting that, but I don't have much to go with this. Right, I got to retest to this area and this area for a buy. I'm not going to touch it. I'm not going to touch it. Don't like it. Don't like it. All right, profit loss cumulative. So 92 down to 102. All right, maybe if I add an account, let's see. Because there was an account thing here. So let's add this account thing in here. All right, that's my auto drawdown. Setting, solid column select. Dollar profit loss. I don't care about. I don't care about. I don't care about. I want drawdown. Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. Sorry for that brief pause, everybody. Sorry. Okay. Look, it's doing what we talked about, right? But again, I'm not liking it. Not liking it. So we're over here. We're looking at settings. Select columns. We don't want that. We don't want that. We don't want that. I want drawdown. Right? Drawdown. Not auto liquidation. Drawdown net liquidity. Save. And this is the drawdown I have left until the account is blown. Right, I just want to see drawdown on the day. I want to see drawdown on the day, showing trailing threshold. How do you calculate your trailing down? Let's take a look at this one. So I don't think this guy is showing me what I need to see, but we'll take a look.
I have a tool for tracking the drawdown threshold.
I do like this for a call, by the way.
Here we are in TradeAway.
but we'll take
Typed
a
it
look.
out to the guy. Figure make a video on it real quick.
I could pop up this and run the VWAP, right? I might just take the trade off VWAP. It might be too risky to take this up. I'm going to go for it. I'm going to go for it. Right, we have a bullish pattern there. I like that. My stop should be way down here, but I'm not going to play that game. But I do like that as a bullish pattern. We broke out. We're continuing up. I do like a trade on VWAP as well here coming up. Again, zero reason to lose money. As soon as we get above here, I'll put a sell in. Keep it nice and tight. We are up 36.10 on the day. Yeah, I'm going to back off of that trade. So I'm not seeing how this helps me here. See if there's any other columns I could add to this. To auto liquidate, to net liquidate. Like, I just want to see daily drawdown. Yeah, see, that's not going to show me. That just shows me the thing, which I'm okay with too. But I don't think I need any of that. Just going to have to watch this, right? When we break that, we know it's over. We are over 80 here, but we do have support. Definitely have support here. We did have that turnaround where we said we were going to. First thing this morning, right? We could have rode that shit all the way down to this area. We called that shit first thing this morning. So what are we looking at here? We're kind of in a thing. You know what I'm saying? We broke out of this little thing here. This worked out perfect again. Right? Beautiful. Beautiful. This line here was kind of worthless. Right? Do we have a line up here that might be in play? Oh, that's going to coincide with VWAP. All sorts of shit right there. Ooh. That's hot if we can get up there. That's hot. I really didn't expect this rollover here, though, to the downside. We're going to bounce off the top edge of this line. Let's see. Be interesting. Be interesting to see. Bounce like right there, right? Pretty close. Pretty close. Pretty close. All right. I don't know. I think it's too risky. But it might be a buyer above here, right? No, we're trending down. We're still trending down fairly strong. I mean, I do expect us to go back up towards VWAP here in the 20. Right, you see that on the 5. So we're on the 9 right now. Kind of bouncing around off the 9. These are 10-point increments. These are pretty big. There's a 5-point. So 5-point we said was 50. 10 was 100. Right? Is that right? I don't fucking know if that's right. I have no idea. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm trying to figure out my drawdown. I have no fucking clue, right? Yeah, I'm ahead on the day. But what is my drawdown on today? Well, my high minus from where I'm at. So So I can keep this going on the account. Look at that. Look at that. Bounce right off the fucking line, right? Look at that. So 92.60 was my high on the day. Right, actually, yeah. Is that about right? 92.60 was my high on the day. Cumulative, so if 92.60 was my high, actually 103 would have been my high, right? I don't know how exactly this works, but we're going to say 103 was my high. And then whatever my current is, my current profit loss, minus 36.10. So I'm at $66 drawdown. That's what we'll say right now. That's how we'll do the math, right? That's how we'll do the math. I wonder if they have a calculator on here. That'd be awesome. Log, options chain, news, chat, positions, market analysis. Nope, I'm not seeing a calculator. A calculator would have been awesome right there, so I can just keep track of it live, but I can do it right on here. So 66.9. That's where I believe we're at. So it's the high of the day minus 250. Right? The high of the day minus 250. I don't fucking know. I don't fucking know, right? I don't know. I know we're continuing down here. I know I'm out of coffee. It's pretty quiet on the chats. Pretty quiet on the chats. Right? Feel free to chat in if you like. There's not much to talk about at the moment. I'll answer any questions, concerns you got. Right? For right now, we're kind of just sitting there waiting. We're waiting maybe a bounce off here, but I'm not going to play it. Trying to figure out what indicator I want on this side. So we got Stokes here. We got the 1 hour. Again, we're in that range here and here on the 1 hour where I expect to find support. We're pretty far away from VWAP. We did test the 9. We have come back below that now, though. So really, I'm waiting for a trade up here to kind of finish off my day. I expect that to be the strongest trade. We are below the 20. There's a good argument for a bullish push here. Again, scalp-wise, I'm not a sold person. Not sold on that. Not sold. Not sold on that. Oop. Well, shit. Maybe I should have been. Maybe I should have been fucking sold on that. All right, so we almost got a channel going now, right? If I put a horizontal line here, you can see that pretty clear on the 1 minute. I could also see it on the 5 minute. Right? And then we could also put a horizontal line down here. Again, I'm not going to jump into this blindly. Would have been a good trade, but I wasn't feeling it. We did have the Stokes confirm this trade. We did get to the bottom. We didn't quite hit that point I wanted. So if we did like a doji or something like this, I might have been able to get into it. But as it was sitting, I was not able to. Do we have any, like... We have a potential wick test right in this area. Right in here. So we got to watch out for that. I love that song, right? All right, we are trading 2 of our accounts today. We got one in reserve. I like to keep one in reserve at all times, because I'm bound to do stupid shit on occasion. Got a long way to go to reach our target today. We're only at 36 bucks, right? We're up 100 at one point, 104. We got plenty of drawdown at the moment. Again, it's just weird trying to figure that out. But for right now, I see us max drawdown 194.72 has been our thing, but we did recover from that with the last couple trades. Last two trades were positive. Just weren't great, but they were positive right here. All right, little small trades. Nothing too crazy. Oh, here we go. We had like a hammer formation and a pullback down. That makes sense, but how far is it going to go? Found some resistance here. So you know what? From a support resistance line standpoint, right? A trade above here for me would be a buy, right? With my target roughly right around here. Right, so that's a support resistance thing. We do have some resistance here at this point, and I'd watch the trade closely, but that's the trade I'm looking at right now. That's the trade I'm looking at right now. So that'll bring us above the 9 again and push us up to the that ballpark. So let's see what we get on the 1 minute here. Again, we're in this zone down here. I don't want to touch it with a 10-foot pole. Nothing in this hourly zone. I know it's a little hard to see. I'll try to blow it up, but from here, there. It's just not good. Not good. We are reversing again. I mean, this could be a buy. Could be a buy. Do we have a line there? It's a little low. It's a little low. Well, let's see if it holds up, right? If I get a doji there, maybe I'll do it. Maybe I'll bite. Maybe I'll bite with a target up here. We're definitely finding some support there. I don't know. I don't know how comfortable I am with that. I'm taking it.
Order filled.
All right, my sell right now is right here. Let's get rid of these orders. Bam, we popped. No reason to lose money. Let's go. Let's go. Let's lock in some more profits today. You know what? I'm just going to exit this trade.
Stop filled.
That came down fast, but we pocketed a little bit of money. Pocketed a little bit. I could have left my stop kind of loose. I just didn't, right? Looking for little bits of profit. So that trade there, that quickie trade netted us $30. That was it. That was it. $30. You suck. But that's put us up to 60.90 at this point. Nice little trade there. Definitely forming a double bottom. I'm back in this as a buy. I bet you. No. This area here is upsetting me. I mean, I can see us pushing through it. But I'm going to go for it. If we get above there, I'm going to take it. Get my stop in right away. See, it's just not very committal. It's not committing very strong. We're going to drop that trade. Just didn't commit very strong. We definitely have some buyers and sellers just kind of hanging out. Fighting at this range here. We make new lows, that'll be something, right? Break below here, we might continue down lower. I'm going to say there's going to be some momentum if we break below that. It's the first hour. First hour's up, right? Our first hour candle's up. So from 9:30 to 10:30. So our first hour's up. That's the low of the first hour. So I'm willing to take that breakout trade right there. But we could just bounce right back up, right? Let's see what happens. Oh, there we go. We're continuing down a little bit. How much room do I want to give this?
Stop filled.
Holy shit, people. I'm going to go right here for now. Damn. Damn, that was a killer. That was a killer. Let's not do that shit again. All right, that was definitely a killer. Definitely an account killer move. All right, I'm gonna hold on to it, but man, I ate it there. I ate it there.
Stop filled.
Somehow my account survived that shit. Holy shit. I got one more trade. My max drawdown right now is 206.90. The last trade was a loss of 170. Man, was that a hit. Man. That was painful. That was painful. That was painful. Still debating this buy here. I'm gonna let it kind of cool down, right? That was that was a jarring hit right there. I will not be taking those trades anymore. Holy fuck! I thought I blew my day right there. Thought I blew the day right there. Whew. God damn. God damn. I mean, it might be the right direction. I'm not going to sit there and risk my money, though. I'm not going to risk all my capital. I'm okay with getting out there. We did have a doji on the 5-minute, though, going the other way, right? Bring that doji's right about this area. Yeah, I don't want to fuck with it right now. I'm not happy. I am not happy. That was a very unexpected move to the downside. I got one loss in me right here, so I gotta make sure this trade is spot on. Spot on. Spot on. So how's everybody else's trading going? We got a few people watching today. It's been pretty quiet, though. No one really chit-chatting. Here we go. We do have that downside move coming now, right? But we're finding support there. Look at that. Look at that. Just got pushed right up, getting eat up. I'm gonna give this a minute to cool down. I'm gonna grab myself a cup of coffee. Let's do the boomer thing and put up a little note there. Getting some coffee. Okay, I'll be right back. 10:56. Holy shit. Try 10:46 probably. Got a Keurig, you know, one button press and cook. I'll be right back, guys. Right back. About now. Well, I'm back 1 minute early. It takes me 2 minutes to make a fucking cup of coffee. Look at that. Bet you guys didn't know that shit. 2 minutes to make a cup of coffee. Let's see. See, did I miss anything here? Nope. Nope, same shit, different day. Oh. We are coming up here. I don't have any divergence or anything. Let's see. What other indicators do I want to play with today? I do like the save. Let's see that. Do I like that? I don't know if I like that. I don't know if I like that. Maybe the MACD. Like, people are all gung-ho about the fucking MACD. Not really gung-ho about the fucking MACD. I can tell you that. We're still way off VWAP and shit. We're still pretty low. We're playing with the 9 moving average. That's something to pay attention to. I don't really like that. Let's see, RSI. You know, RSI is RSI, right? RSI is RSI. Don't really like that either. Let's get rid of a bunch of these. I think I'm going to go back with my other one that I do like. I do like this, right? I do like the Renko chart here. Kind of keep me in some trades. So we are going down now, finally. We are going down. We don't have much room. These are null and void now. Let's get rid of these. I mean, this channel we were looking at is gone. So what do we got? So from the last peak to here. All right, remember that low is here. That low is right there. I don't know if I want to fuck around with that low. I might, though. I might challenge it. So right from here, come on down. So something like this, a line right here is what I'm looking at right now. Maybe it bounce off that line, and we'll hopefully bring back some of our losses there. But that 170 was a hit. Oof. 170 was definitely a hit. It was a hard hit to take. Got a hammer there. I'm gonna buy that. Am I gonna buy that? No. No. I'm not gonna buy that. I don't like how it's flicking red there, right? If it was flicking a little more green, I'd be for it. I avoided that little mistake. I'm going to put a line here, though. Shit. Is that a buy? Is that a buy? That's only a buy if I get a doji around here. So I'm looking for a doji or something. I want a little bit lower. There's the pop back up, right? I might have missed it. No, we just started a new 5-minute candle as well. The last 5-minute candle is more of a bearish candle. On the hourly, it's definitely bearish at the moment. And we're teetering with this mark, right? Teetering with this mark. Let me put a horizontal line in here. Roughly about right where we're at, right? So if I get a doji or something here, I mean that would have been my buy, but I don't want to risk the biscuit. I'm too tight right now. I'm too fucking tight. I could miss this trade because I'm being too tight, but right. So I'm thinking buy market right here. Let's go.
Order filled.
We're gonna sell market right here. Let's bring this right up to, let's pocket some money, right?
Stop filled.
All right, I got a little bit of a profit there. That was a little bit of a rush profit, but we took it. We took it. We made 15 bucks. Again, not big moves. Not big moves at all. A doji here, I might do it again. Just gives me a little bit more room. Let's see what I got for myself here. If I do the math. So my high on the day is 1.04. Right, 104. And my current profit loss is 104.50. So I'm at 100. No, I'm at 50. I'm at 50. We did get a little out of that. Not much. Not much. But a doji here would be nice, right? Finish off with a doji here and then come back up to that line. I did move this line, by the way. Where was this? No, maybe we broke it. Maybe we broke it and that's it. It's gone. That's it. We did find some support there. I did take a little bit of a profit. Again, we're grinding today. We're not getting the good moves that we want. At least in our favor, right? At least in our favor. I'm not liking this. Alright, the trend's too far. See, I should have liked that. Trend's just too far gone for me. Too far bearish. Our 9 is way up here. Possible wick test in this area. If I get a reversal sign here, if I get a hammer or a doji, I might come in for a sell. I'm sorry, I keep hitting my mic with my coffee cup this morning. Otherwise, I kind of want to wait until we get up to this line. And I might just sell market right there. Got 1 minute left, right? And we look like we're going to set up a doji, so I'm not going to touch this. We're going to look like we might set up a doji on the 5 minute. I mean, again, that could be just shit balls nothing, but it could be something as well. So we're going to continue watching it, see what transpires here. Again, if you haven't subscribed, like, do all that good shit, it'd be great if you did. Right? Just a little click on the like thing there. Boom. Makes life a little better. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. It's fucking hot in my office already. It's supposed to be like 70 something today. It's ridiculous. I don't know why it's so hot in here. I'll have to check, make sure like heaters and shit aren't popping on. Okay, we got that Doge. We got that Doge. The Doji has made itself aware. All right, let's buy market
Order
here.
filled.
Put a sell order right here to begin with. Right, zero reason to lose money. I agree with that. All right, I like to see us get up here.
Stop filled.
It's all right. Another little bit of profit. Another little bit of profit. We're not huge though. $12, right? But $12 is $12. We're just not getting those breakouts that I want. Not getting those breakouts that I want. Been a lot of trading today, but not a lot of breakouts. Right, have we decreased or increased our drawdown? Got a max drawdown of 212.10 on here. That's shit. That's shit. Alright, we're still at that Doge. The 9 would be a valid trade up here. I believe this line might actually manifest itself too. There's no real commitment and direction. I mean, all it takes is one good trade and we're done for the day, right? I mean, about a $600 trade. So there's that. 104 was our high. We're at 97.20 for a P&L right now. We just need we need a solid directional trade. Just haven't caught nothing yet, but we haven't gotten our boots too wet, so that's good. That's good. Do I take one off this line? Do I trust this line? I don't know. I don't know if I trust it yet. You know what? I do. As a matter of fact, I do trust it. Because we got this here. Got some shit there. I will put a sell in there. And again, I'm not going to give this much room. I'm going to put buy right there. That's where I'm at right this second. Alright, we'll actually bring this down just a hair. 96.25. 101.25.
Order filled.
No point losing money. No point in losing money. Let's go. Thank you. Thank you. I'm getting a little bit of a move here finally. Finally, I'm running into resistance right off the bat. Let's just, well, shit. Let's see where this goes. I'm going to let this go, but I do want to put me in the green slightly so I cover commissions. Cover them commissions. Just gotta break down a little bit. You don't have to fucking catastrophe here. Just bring me down a little bit. Give me a little more wiggle room. I do not like the doji there. Whoop. I'm okay with that now. Let's go there. Okay, we're good. On this thing here, it's still in the red. They're still in the green, so not gonna ride that.
Stop filled.
All right. Well, we pulled a little bit more out. We're gross above. That trade did pan out. It's not very good. What's our drawdown at? 212.10 was the highest. I did see a $60 win off that trade. All right, so 104 was our top. And we're currently 42.40, so 104 was our top, minus 42.40. No, that's not right, right? Yeah, so I got about $50 right now. $50. We're about 150. 150. We're still in it. We're still in it to win it. Do we continue down? Let's go.
Order rejected.
Oh, you bitch. You bitch. Alright, just let it do its thing. You just haven't had strong moves today, right? Had trades, just haven't had strong moves. This maybe has 10 points in it if I'm lucky. Alright, so where is our... Right now I'm looking at a sell up here. Right, and that's in coinciding with the 9 over here. And some support resistance. Where the hell is our VWAP? Where the fuck is that thing? Holy shit. It's way the hell up there this morning. Right, so we're looking at a sell below this point. Again, that line held up again. That line might be something here. There was a nice little break. See, but look at the thrust on that. That's not good. It's not good. It's hard to trade. Hard to trade when you're thrusting like that. We are making new lows, though. I'm going to sell here. We could put a buy here, and we're going to see.
Stop filled.
All right. Give me some momentum to that downside. Just a little momentum, baby. There we go. No point in losing money, right?
Stop filled.
We didn't get it there. We didn't get it there. I'm pretty sure it showed up as a break-even trade. But we did not get the breakdown there. I was hoping for. Again, we're back up to this line. All right, how do we react with that line? A little bit of sellers. A little bit of sellers would have probably been a break even for me again. All right, but you see we had doji-ish here. We were able to play this candle here pretty good. Able to play that pretty good. Right now we're looking at this ballpark on the 5. We've got 1.5 minutes to that. Makes itself seen. Just waiting for a strong thing. That was a strong pullout, right? That line's strong. That line's strong. She got some muscle. I really thought we were going to continue down there with some gusto, like this move here, right? But we didn't. We didn't. But that was the move we talked about where it was just, where was it? This fucking thing. That fucking thing. There was so much volatility right there at that point. We're going to avoid that little bit of a point. We are sitting at 47.60 and our max drawdowns at 212, but we're still the same. We're about 150. So my high to there about 150 in total. So we got about 100 points of drawdown we built back up to. I would like to be green on the day if I can, but I'm not going to get too bent on a shape here. Okay, we got a new move here to the top of these areas with that 9. I'm going to do this again. I'm going to ride this again. Scary as fuck, but I'm going to ride it again. If we break a new low, I think we're going to keep going. All right, because we're at the point now where we've broken past... we've almost broken past that point. Once we get past that point, I think we'll be moving. All right, if we can get past these buyers here, I think we'll be moving down.
Stop filled.
Shit. All right, here's what it is. Just play the trade. Play the trade. Okay, 0. Oh, shit. Shit. What am I going to do here? I'm going to stay above this line. I'm just going to play the trade. Not going to worry about anything else. Just play the trade. Going to stay above that line. And get a little bit more gusto on the bear side. I'd be happy. Oof. Again, we're going to trust that line.
Stop filled.
All right, guys, that's it for today. That put me past my max drawdown. All right, so we lost $205 on the day. It's okay, though. It's okay, though. You just didn't get anything to go our way, really, right? Didn't get anything to go our way. So let's upload this here. Look at that pull up there. Holy shit. All right, look at that momentum to the upside right there. Wow. Well, we just had to keep coming down, right? And you know what? I had the bearish divergence right here. You see that? See that, guys? I missed that. If I noticed that, maybe it would kept me out of trying to chase that lower. I missed that. I missed that. The same token, we could have been trading that 9 trade as well back down. So that's on me. That's completely on me. Completely on me. Missed the bearish divergence. All right, guys. Well, you have a good one. 100%. Love y'all. Make sure you subscribe or follow, depending on what platform you're on. And take care. Bye-bye.